guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the latest Beauty Loop box from Mecca. It is the April/May box and I am a level 3. So yeah, let's get into it. Just quickly before we unbox, I figured I'd unbox the birthday gift. It was my birthday the day that the boxes came out, so conveniently enough for me, I didn't have to place a second order online to get my birthday box as well as the Beauty Loop. I could just do it all in one order, which is great. So this is what the level 3s get for their birthday. It is a Mecca Cosmetica cleansing oil. It's a full-size product, so that's actually like really decent size. It's 150 mil, so that's pretty good. And I am keen to try out, you know, something that isn't as expensive as Tatcha. And it is a muslin cloth, I think, in here. Yeah, like a muslin cloth to go with it. So yeah, that's not too bad for a birthday gift, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm pretty keen to give that a go. But yeah, great birthday gift. Let's move on to the Beauty Loop box. Alrighty, let's see what level 3 got this quarter. Alrighty. First, we have a Tom Ford fragrance. This is the Black Orchid. I have gotten one in the past from Tom Ford. It was the Bitter Peach, and I loved that sample. But the fragrances from Tom Ford are like $600 each, so there's no way I'm going to be buying one. But to get samples of it is actually pretty fun. Because I get to try a really expensive perfume without having to purchase it. Wonder what it smells like. It is a bit deeper of a scent than I would typically go for. It's still really nice. It's just, it is quite deep, if that makes sense. I don't really know how else to describe it. But yeah, it's still really nice, and I will definitely get some use out of that sample. But I really do like the Bitter Peach scent that they sell. So we actually have 5 products instead of 4, which is really great. First, we have a product from Rose Inc. It is the Brow Renew Enriched Shaping Eyebrow Gel. Gel Enriched Sculptant. So I'm assuming it's kind of like a brow gel that I'm assuming would be like to nourish your brows to grow. Unless it's tinted and it's like a brow gel. Well, it doesn't look tinted in the tube, so I'm going to say it's most likely a product to help like encourage the growth of your brows, because it doesn't really explain it very well on the box. I think it is to, you know, help the growth, but I'll have to do some research online. But yeah, that's actually really good, and it's a pretty good sample as well. I'm actually pretty impressed by that product. I'll have to, you know, give it a go and see if it works. But yeah, that looks pretty cool actually. Next we have our product from Ren. This is the Redness Relief Serum. I'm not sure if this is like an eye serum, a face serum. Again, I'd have to do some more research, but it's a pretty decent size sample. But yeah, I don't know if that's like an eye serum or a face serum. I think it's just a face serum because it says to apply on a cleansed face. So for a serum, that's actually not too bad of a size of a sample as well. So yeah, I have tried some Ren products in the past, and I haven't exactly been a big fan of them, to be completely honest. When I've gotten Ren products in previous Beauty Loop boxes, I've not exactly enjoyed the sample, which is fine. Doesn't mean I'm going to not like this sample. It's just going into it knowing that the brand hasn't always produced a product I like. So I will definitely go into it with an open mind. But yeah, that's a pretty cool sample to receive. Next, we have a Clinique Sample. This is the Moisture Surge. I've received one of these in the Beauty Loop box before, and I definitely did like the sample, so I'm happy to have it again. Would be nice to have gotten a product that I haven't tried before, but yeah, I did like this, so I'm happy to, you know, have another sample of it and to give it another go. And lastly, we have another one of those like sprays. I know in the past I've gotten one that's kind of like a something that you spray on your pillows to go to sleep. This one is a Stress Check Mood Manager. I don't know if you spray this on your pillow or your body or what, but something for stress relief is definitely up my alley. I doubt it's a miracle worker, but I will definitely give it a go because your girl has a stressful life. So that seems to be something fun to try, but you know, going into it realistically. So yeah. All right, so looking at everything we got in the box this quarter, it's pretty great to have received 5 things instead of 4, which is great considering we are a level 3 now. We do deserve to get a little bit more considering how much we spend to be a level 3 in the first place. I know in some of the other boxes people got, you know, makeup products and like hair scrunchies and things like that, and I kind of wish that I did get one of those sorts of products because it's skincare and a fragrance sort of thing. Yeah, I feel like in comparison to some of the other level 3 boxes, I probably didn't do as well. But I'm not unhappy with the box. I'm pretty pleased to give a shot to each and every one of the products that I got. It's either something I know I like or something I'm willing to give a go, which is great. So it's a great box to receive. I just definitely would have loved some of the other variations that the box came in, which is fine. We can't all get the same box. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought of the box and what did you get in yours. Are you a level 3 like me? Did you get something else or did you get the same thing? Are you a level 1 or a level 2? I'd love to hear what you guys got in yours as well. And yeah, let me know in the comments and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next quarter. Bye guys.